Hey guys, we're coming to you from Cookout, and we are starving. We've only ever been to the drive-thru before, so we're excited to show you what the dining room's like. Follow us inside.
Hi, Matt here.
I'm Stacy, and this little guy is our buddy Tarzan. Together, we are the Rays on the road.
We received our food. We're sitting out on their patio. We're at Cookout Creamery Premium Milkshake. Satisfaction guaranteed. If not 100% satisfied, call the 1-800 number. Cooked outdoor style, original hamburgers. God bless America. John 3:16. Who can't agree with those statements?
There you go.
Alright, now on to the food.
So yeah, let's talk about how the ordering works.
Fresh hamburgers.
So what we each got were trays. And so the way the trays work is you order a tray and you pick one main entree item, and then you choose what style you want it, like Cookout style, cheddar style, and that really just means what toppings you want. And then you pick your sides, and the sides are cool. You can get like a quesadilla or chicken nuggets for your side.
Onion rings, a hot dog, and a quesadilla.
That's me.
That's you.
So I got the 2 hot dog tray. We'll show you everything.
Alright, we'll start with you, I guess.
Okay. So what I got was the 2 hot dog tray. So it comes with 2 dogs. I got my chili cheese. I got onion rings as a side. Ooh, hot. Yes, and my other side that I got is a little chicken quesadilla. So can you see? It's like chicken and cheese and just a tortilla.
A little windy out
here. Yeah, it's windy out, but the music was loud inside, and we wanted to be able to talk, kind of explain everything. Because if you've never been to Cookout, it's like kind of overwhelming picking trying to pick what you want to eat. So, here, I'll just start with the chicken quesadilla. It's really good. It's chicken, cheese, and maybe like a Southwest or Mexican type taco seasoning on it. It's awesome. Lots of cheese.
Smells good. I can smell it from over here.
Yeah, lots of cheese, lots of chicken, and I love this. This is something that I make a lot, just like as snacks. Just get those keto tortillas, throw a little canned chicken and cheese on it. So that's just one of my favorite snacks. You want to try a bite?
Yeah, sure.
It's a little warm, but you can hold it.
Okay, yeah. Cubed chicken, cheese on a tortilla.
And like I said, I think you'll taste it. There's some kind of seasoning, like taco or something, maybe.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. This is one of my favorite little snacks too, these quesadillas like this. I also got a chili cheese dog. Look, a tray, two hot dog tray. And I got my chili cheese style. Now these are going to be tough to eat. You want to take a look? And now the dog, let's see if I can show you. It's like grilled, like, you know, like a Cookout, obviously, but it's grilled like how you grill it at home.
Grilled like a Cookout. I like it.
Cookout, yeah.
Grill marks, the Menards effect. What the heck's it called?
The Maillard reaction.
Menards reaction.
I usually like mustard on them too, but whatever.
I guess you gotta tell them what condiments you want.
Oh, I did get mustard. I told them mustard. It's underneath it. It's awesome. It's kind of like a standard dog. The bun is nice and soft and fresh. The chili's good. You can taste a lot of chili powder in the chili. And that's like nacho cheese on top. It's killer. And then onion rings. Pretty standard. They're probably frozen, but...
Breaded, battered.
Yeah, breaded onion rings. But the onions are actually not too thick like some are, you know?
Yeah.
So, they're well done. I hate when you take a bite of an onion ring and an onion slides out of it. So that means it's not cooked all the way.
Gross, wormy onion.
Yeah, I hate that. But these are well done. These are really good. You want to try a bite?
Yeah. Yeah, they bite clean in two like a Burger King onion ring, which I enjoy. No slithery onion worms crawled out. Pretty good.
Yeah, it was awesome. And then
pretty standard, but you know, pretty good.
The reason that I really love cookouts is that they have cheer wine in their fountain, and I don't think I've ever really seen that anywhere else. And so,
well, explain to the viewers.
That's what I was going to say.
home.
I know, guys, a lot of our viewers are from different parts of America and maybe the world. Cheer wine is a regional soft drink. It's a soda from North Carolina, and it is like a cherry soda, but it has more. It doesn't taste just like a cherry Fanta or something. It has a little more spiciness to the recipe in it. And I just looked it up because I wanted to get the story on it. It is the oldest soda in America that's still owned by the original family. So it's like the early 1900s, and the original family that developed this and created it still owns it. It's a Carolina bottling company or soda company, I think.
Yeah, like if old Dr. Pepper still owned Dr. Pepper, you know.
It almost has a Dr. Pepper taste too. It's funny you say that. It has a little spiciness to it.
Let me try that. I ain't tried one of them in a while.
I love it.
Yeah, that is tasty.
So
I think
good.
Big Red's the one I don't like.
Yeah,
I get those
like
soft and confused.
But yeah, this is not like a red cream soda. You know, you see red cream sodas. This does not taste like a red cream soda. This is like a cherry with a little bit of spice soda.
Can I try by that hot dog?
Absolutely. I would suggest eating it with the box because it's not.
Just hopefully the box doesn't blow away on me.
Hopefully this umbrella doesn't blow away.
We're getting some strong winds here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best, but the stuff is blowing away. Now this is exactly how I like my hot dogs, just like a steamed soft bun, a chili sauce, and melty cheese with a little bit of mustard.
Great.
A little bit of ketchup might add to it, but I don't know. Let's see.
Team no ketchup on hot dogs. It's awesome.
Man, that is awesome, but
so good. It's like
it is messy as it can be.
It's really.
I'm glad the camera's not on me.
This food is like something you would really cook at home, and I mean that in a positive way.
Yeah.
Because we also bought this for less than the groceries would cost.
Yeah, I'm not sure I could make this stuff for what.
You could not make this for what? What did we pay? 20 bucks?
I don't know the receipt.
We'll check it. I think it's like 20 bucks. Each tray is $7.99.
All right, guys. Now, frankly, I don't really remember what I ordered. Yeah, I ordered some kind of taco as a side, which that I wanted to talk to y'all about. I think is kind of cool. The fact that you don't have to get fries and onion rings. You can get like nuggets and cheese sticks, which is what I got.
Do you want me to film you?
You get two sides. One is I got cheese
bites.
Curds, bites.
Cheese
I don't know what the heck's the difference. But they look good, and like where else are you gonna get cheese sticks as a side?
Yeah.
You wanna try one?
Yeah, sure.
Pretty good. Tastes about like Culver's or A&W's.
It tastes like a cheese curd, like at Culver's. You're right. That's good.
So I'm not sure why they don't call it that for legal reasons or whatnot. I have no idea. And then my other side, I got some kind of taco, but
taco.
It's like in a Doritos bag.
Yeah, that's like a standard thing for walking tacos.
Well, I wasn't really sure what I ordered, honestly. But I guess you eat it out of the bag?
Yeah.
Is that what happens? And I added the upcharge, which was 50 cents for fresh jalapenos. I don't know. That's about as good as I'm going to get to show it to you. I'm going to pass the camera off to Stacy.
Some people, like in different parts of America, those are more common. People call them Frito pies, where you have, it's a similar thing, like a bag of Fritos with chili on it. And so this is a bag of Doritos with taco meat. Does it have lettuce and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's like all the toppings you would have on an actual taco.
Oh, it's like Doritos.
But there's Doritos,
bottom, but
yeah.
It's like crap
Yeah.
on the Doritos in the Dorito bag.
Yeah.
But like you gotta mix it up though. You don't get a big bite of jalapenos.
Yeah.
Or,
So like
I don't know, who cares? It's all going down the same pipe, right?
looks pretty good, honestly.
Let's see.
Is it good? I like those. That's something like I remember in high school they'd have Frito pie at football games and stuff. So kind of a concept because it's called a walking taco because you can walk around and eat it.
Oh, okay.
You can hold it in your hand.
Why are they calling it a walking taco? Is that like a taco? But
yeah, and that's like you can walk around, just hold it in your hand.
See, they've got like cheese, actual cheese on it.
Yeah, shredded cheese looks like
Doritos, sour cream,
jalapeno.
The taco meat, the jalapeno.
The taco meat looks seasoned good too.
Yeah. When I finish eating that in a minute, I'm gonna put some of this.
Oh yeah. They also had Texas Pete. And they have Heinz ketchup. We're really fighting the wind out here.
Yeah, guys, we're probably gonna have
we're sitting under an umbrella, and we might end up in Wonderland or Oz if we're not too careful.
Fly out of here.
So yours, what style did you get?
I honestly
Cheddar
don't
style.
remember.
You got cheddar style. So cheddar style is bacon, cheddar cheese, and grilled onions. And man, that looks, and mayonnaise. That looks so good.
It's pretty good.
Oh, the onions. Blech, I hate that.
You sure you don't want to try it?
No. But you probably like that.
I do. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Can you taste
like
like
something you'd make at the house?
Yeah, like at a cookout. It really is food like you get at a cookout.
But I don't know. I think we tried. Oh, the milkshake.
Yeah. So we also got one of the other things, they have like a million different flavors of ice cream, and you can get them in milkshakes, malts. And so we got a Butterfinger milkshake to split, and I'm gonna try to drink it, but they're usually so thick you can't for a minute.
Can you drink it?
Yeah, I got a little bit. It's awesome. Good ice cream with Butterfinger.
Here, let's take the lid off. Show.
Yeah.
That's
Lots of
chunks
Butterfinger.
of real Butterfinger.
And I got a spoon in case we needed to try it with that.
Man, I can't suck it out.
Yeah, just take you a bite.
It's good taste. Like a milkshake with Butterfinger.
It's like, I mean, it's awesome, but it's just simple food. So we're going to try and eat really quick before we blow away. But we'll be back. Alright, so that was Cookout. I loved it. What did you think?
I really enjoyed it. You know, it's decent food at a
very
pretty reasonable price.
And I highly recommend this to people with kids. If you have a bunch of kids to feed, they have a junior tray too that I think is $2 or $3 cheaper than the one we got. Kids would love this place.
Yeah, there's so many options.
Yeah.
A lot of it is, you know, it's all over the place. Anything you want, you could probably get a version of it in there to eat. I like that you can get different sides instead of just potatoes and onion rings.
Could you take a kid here? They get a corn dog and a chicken quesadilla and a mac and cheese. Like, what kid is that not going to please? And for these prices, you can take your kids and their friends.
And it's very clean in there, very, very clean. They were like scrubbing the floors when we were in there.
And the people, the ladies working were really nice too.
Yeah, really nice, great staff in there.
Yeah, we totally recommend this place. It's a patriotic company, a Christian company, all the things that we love. So yeah, come by any cookout in your town for sure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss anything coming in the future. We got a lot of cool fun stuff coming up. And thank you for everything. We love you guys. Bye. They're cleaning it right now.
But they look like they're walking around.
They got skills. They're used to this.